Solv Protocol is a new token that is coming up on Binance platform through Megadrop. It's a third project, and in this video I want to tell you all about it and then show you how you can be able to participate in this Megadrop. Let's get those credits rolling. As at the 7th of January 2025, Binance has announced a third project on Binance Megadrop called Solv Protocol, otherwise known as SOLV. What is it about? It's a Binance staking protocol that is building a Bitcoin-centric financial ecosystem. And any user can be able to participate in this Megadrop from the 7th of January, and this will be until the 17th when this token, Solv Protocol, will be listed. But before you can even participate in this Megadrop, the first thing that you need to do is to sign up for a Binance account. How you can be able to do it is go to the very first link in the description below, sign up for a Binance account, and then you need to verify this account using either your national ID, your passport, or your driver's license. Then you'll be able to access this. For today, I want to show you how you can be able to participate on this, and you will be able to participate in this from the 7th to the 16th. For the Solv Protocol, we have to do two different things, and they are called quests. So first we'll go into the project info, and then we'll go into the quests. So the first thing is a project info, and here I want to show you a few things about this particular token. The token is called Solv, and the maximum token supply is 9.6 billion Solv, and when it is starting it will be 8.4 billion. And for the Megadrop tokens, 6% will be given out of the maximum token supply, and the initial circulating supply when it is being listed on the 17th will be 1.4 billion Solv. And so you first need to have your KYC before you can be able to get this, and the maximum one user can get is about 4.7 million Solv. So we'll go back and we'll start our very first quest. The first quest that we'll start with is the Web3 quest, because the locking of BNB is much easier, it is much faster, and that is what I'll show you a little later. But let's start with completing off the Web3 quest. So first here I'll click on Start Quest, and then it will give me the instructions, which I want to read for you so that we do the instructions that are here one by one. It says, please transfer BTC no less than 0.00011 BTC to your Binance wallet via the BSC network. Then go back to this page and then click Start Now. So the first thing that we need to do is transfer 0.00011 BTC to the Binance wallet. So I'll go back, and remember we are on the exchange. So at the very top here you can see exchange, and right next to it you'll see Web3. If you've never clicked on it, it will tell you to be able to start and create a Web3 wallet. But for us, since we've already done this before, I'll click on Web3 here. I'll state that I want to receive. I'll click on BTC here and click on BNB Smart Chain, click on continue, and then we are actually going to receive BTCB, which is Bitcoin on the BNB Smart Chain. So I'll click on confirm, and at the bottom here I'll say 0.00011. So I'll actually do 12 so that we just get a little more that we need here, and I'll click on withdraw. Then this is about 1,300 that we are doing this with. And the thing I like about the Web3 quest is because it has a lot of points, and it has a longer process, so it's still okay. So I'll click on confirm here, and the withdrawal is processing. That is complete. Then I'll actually go back just a little, and in a second here, let me just refresh this so that once it is here, now we'll go back to the Binance wallet to complete the transaction itself. I can actually be able to check this by clicking on assets at the bottom here, and you can actually be able to see 0.00011 that we need here. So I'll go back here, click on home, then at the top click on exchange. That takes us back to the Binance exchange, and then I'll click on home again and click on Megadrop, then solve. So we are back, right? So I'll click on start quest again, and we have just done this first part which says transfer BTC to your Binance wallet via the BSC network. And now on the next place it says then go back to this page and click the start now button, which is at the bottom here, to deposit 0.0001 BTCB in the Solv Protocol dApp. In the end, return to this page and click verify. So that's what we are doing here. And then it tells me to please make sure that the Binance wallet has enough BNB for the gas fee. No less than 0.002 BNB is recommended. It's about 180 shillings. I'll click on start now here. And then it says, please note that after you have completed the quest, you will need to tap the verify button to ensure that both the quest and your score is updated. So I'll click on OK. So here we want to make sure that we stake some BTCB on the Solv BTC dApp. So at the top here, I'll click on connect wallet, and we want to connect our Binance wallet here. Here we'll click on deposit, and then it tells us to approve the same, and it is charging 129 shillings as the network fee. Click on confirm, submitting, and the transaction has been submitted, and it tells us it is loading. You're depositing 0.001 BTCB, and it has been successfully done, and the contract call has succeeded. Click on confirm here, and I can actually come and check that the balance here. So under my portfolio here, it will show my 0.0001 BTCB, and it is now on the Solv dApp, and that is about $9.4. So I'll close this at the very top here, and then you will see that verify is no longer grayed out. So I'll click on verify here, and the task is completed. Click on OK, and now it says good job, you have completed this quest and passed the verification. That is really good, and we are about 266,000 of us. So I'll click on view quest again, and this is complete. So I'll close this and then go back so that we can do the second quest. And you can actually see, once I refresh this, you'll actually see my score has updated, and the score here now is at 500 because of doing the Web3 quest. Now the easier one is to lock BNB. And here you can be able to lock BNB in 4 different ways, and the locked amount will have a different score counting on it. So if you lock for less than 30 days, it will be locked amount times 100. If you lock for 60 days, it will be locked amount times 110. 90 days it times 120, and 120 days it will be times 130. So I'll go under home and click on Megadrop Solv Protocol, and then we can click on subscribe. So what we are doing here is locking BNB for this number of days. So what we'll do is 15-day one is gone. We'll do 30-day, 60, 90, and 120. We'll do a bit of each. And the minimum here is 0.05. So that's what we'll actually do, 0.05, and lock it for 120 days and click on confirm. And then it says, please confirm that you understand and accept the following terms. 0.05 BNB, and then I can go back here, and once I refresh this, you'll be able to see that it says locked. And when I click on my score here, there will be a score based on the Web3 quest bonus, which is already done. And now on 120 days, 90 days, 60 days, and 30 days, and any deferred BNB assets, there will be a snapshot that will be done. This happens every single hour, And right now it's not yet done because we've just done this now, but I want to do another one so subscribe more, and I can come here and say 0.05, and I want to do it for 90 days, so that we can do 0.05 for 90 days, and you'll be able to see the total locked rewards will be here, and click on confirm, and then I confirm here. This is a second confirmation. Click on confirm. That is done, and now I have two amounts that I have put under lock of BNB, and I already have the Web3 quest. So what will happen here is that every hour it will be coming to check how much BNB have I locked, how much do I have, either on 120 days, 90, 60, or less than 30 days. And that is how you can be able to participate in the Solv Protocol Megadrop. It's quite extensive, but the thing I like about it is that once you do this quest, you can actually be able to get a bigger allocation as you're going on. And of course, the more BNB that you lock here, the more you'll be getting under the Megadrop, which is happening on the 17th. And I have a playlist of how you can be able to make money on the Binance platform, and it will show up right here, and I'll see you in the next one.